Travis at Canyon Bicycles in beautiful Telluride, Colorado. Today I'd like to talk to you about changing a tubeless flat. First we need to remove the wheel. This one has a through axle, so we're going to unthread the through axle from the fork. And make sure that all the air is out of the tank. And then you want to dislodge the bead of the tire from the rim. And you want to do that all the way around the rim. On both sides of the tire. And then we want to grab our tire lever, insert it under the bead of the tire, hook it on the spoke, and with your other tire lever, you can pull the bead completely off the rim. And at that point, you're able to remove the tire. With a tubeless tire, you will probably have some sort of liquid sealant, and do be aware of that. So we're going to be inserting a tube into this tire. You need to unscrew the collar for the valve stem, and then remove the stem from the wheel. Grab your new tube, and we want to put some air in the tube to give it some volume and some shape, so it'll be easier to install in the tire. This could be done with your mouth or a pump at the edge of the trail. But since we're here in the shop, we'll use the air compression. At this point, we want to check inside the tire to make sure there's no thorns or anything else sharp that could damage the tube once we put it inside the tire. And you can do that just by feeling for anything sharp. Now, of course, since this is a tubeless tire, you may get some liquid sealant on your hands. It won't hurt you. Put one bead of the tire onto the rim. Just work it around. Till it's sitting in the middle of the rim. At that point, grab your new tube, insert the valve into the valve hole, as such. And then insert the tube into the tire before you put the tire back on the rim. Start at one point on the rim, and then start working the bead back around the rim, making sure that the bead is in the center of the rim. And that way it will give you enough slack to get it over the wall of the rim. Once that is accomplished, all you have to do is reinflate the tire and install it back on the bike. Reinstall your through axle. Make sure it's threaded on nice and snug. It doesn't need to be overly tight, but nice and snug. And you're ready to go.